doing good? I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to include a payment form on Google Forms. So I'll be showing you how to quick and easily be able to integrate PayPal or other payment methods on your Google form. The first thing you want to do once on Google Form, you can tap on Go to Forms. Then from there you'll be redirected to this page. And for example, we can tap on Blank Form. After selecting Blank Form, now to add a payment method to your Google form, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner. Right beside Send, you're going to see three dots. And you're going to tap on the three dots. Then you're going to tap where you see Get Add-ons. After tapping on Get Add-ons, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page. And from here, you're going to type in payment. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in payment, you're going to tap on Enter. Once you have typed in payment and tap on Enter, you're going to see numerous options that you can select from. And the option that I would recommend you select is none other than Payable Forms. Then you're going to tap on Insert. After you have tapped on that, you will be redirected to a new page. And all you'll need to do is sign in using your Google account. So you'll tap on Continue, then you're going to tap on Allow. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being installed. Once it has been installed, you'll tap on Done. Then from there, what you'll need to do next, you'll simply tap on the X. And once you're back on your original form page, now here you can see that I have created a form. So I've created a car rental form. So you can see I have listed two prices, Honda and Mercedes. And this is how you will list out your price. So you'll put the text at the front and then you'll put the cost behind it. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Add-ons. Then you're going to select Payable Form. After you have selected Payable Form, from here you can tap on Configure Sidebar. Once you have done that, you're going to see it pop up. Once it pops up, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on Connect a Payment Provider. After you have tapped on Connect a Payment Provider, you're going to see this pop-up appear. And you can either connect Square, Stripe, PayPal, or PayPal Commerce, or you can connect Razorpay or any one of these payment options. But we're going to be connecting PayPal. So I'll tap on PayPal, then I'll tap on Connect PayPal Standard. Once it is connected, as you can see right here, checking with payment providers, you're just going to close it out so you can see it is now connected. Now that it has connected, as you can see here, PayPal is now connected. Close this pop-up box. Now that you have closed the pop-up box, we now have our payment option. So you can simply toggle on Make this form payable. After you have toggled on Make this form payable, you will see the difference on your current form. So you're going to see right here. You can also try out the test mode. So we'll try out our test mode at first. So let's do that. We're going to tap on Try. So you can see right here, let's say for example, then we're going to select this one and we'll tap on Submit. After you have tapped on Submit, you'll see the option Use this link below to continue. Once you have tapped on that, you'll be redirected to PayPal, and then from there, they'll be able to pay. So that's how it works out when you have connected your payable form using this platform. There are a few options that I would like to show you. For example, by scrolling down, you will see the test mode that I had shown you earlier. You can choose to turn it off. You can also tap on Payment Settings. And from here, you could connect another payment provider. You can also change the currency if you want. And scrolling down, you can see the checkout settings on which you can edit right here. And you can also choose whether you'd like to collect the shipping address or so on. So you can see you can also add a custom text on checkout. And you can also add a post payment message. So you can customize how it looks. You can also add promo codes. So as you can see right there, and you can also turn on notifications. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.